Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from Nadine West, which is a monthly clothing subscription. So I will show you what I get, and then I will post pictures at the end. So they do include an invoice, so it looks like I got 3 tops, 2 bottoms, and a necklace. So that's cool. I think it was last month, and maybe the past 2 months I didn't get any jewelry. So I wasn't sure if they were just switching it up or what. So this looks like a bottom. I'm liking these already. Looks like stretchy little cozy pants, pockets on each side, which I love. Navy blue. And they are, I have a pair kind of similar to this that I got from Nadine West, same color. And I love them and I wear them all the time around the house because I work from home, so I don't actually get dressed up too often. I wear a lot of lounge clothes. Then we have from Sheila this green sweater. It's a shorter sleeve one, which is cool because most of mine are long sleeves. That's pretty. Then we have another one from Sheila. Is it the same one? This one is a lot longer. It's black and the sleeves are slightly longer too. Definitely something I would wear. And it has some big pockets on the side. That's awesome. Very, very long. So we should have the necklace in here, another top, and another bottom. If you're not familiar with how this works too, you just keep what you want. Anything you don't want because you don't like it or it doesn't fit, whatever the reason, you put it back in that bag, and there's a prepaid little stamp in there that you stick on it and just send it back. You're only charged for what you decide to keep. This is cute. I typically don't like gold, but I like that it's a little crescent moon or a C, however way you want to look at that. That's cute. Maybe wear these yoga pants. Ooh, shorts, yes. Ooh, and you could probably roll them down, but I like high-waisted stuff, so I'm probably gonna leave them pulled up like that. Those are adorable. I like those a lot. I always check, because sometimes their clothing has pockets, and you don't realize it until I go to take a picture, but that one doesn't. And then the last top is long-sleeved, another one by Sheila. It's been a popular brand lately. This one is navy, and the shoulder is cut out. It's pretty cute, and it is long sleeve. So yeah, I will go ahead and insert the photos. If you guys are interested in signing up, I will put a promo code below. I think you get free shipping, and I will put all the prices at the end with the picture as well. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.